Hello YouTube land, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be removing the doors off of our Jeep Wrangler JL in preparation just for a fun summer, but also we're going to be doing some work on it, and sometimes it's easier just to have the doors off. So we're going to be taking the doors off today, and we're going to be showing you how to do it so that you can see it is relatively easy. I do have, and this is something that you may not have, but I do have a Ultralisk 4x4 door storage hanger. And this allows me to safely store the doors so that I can roll it around. They stay out of the way, so I'll be showing you that as well. And I do have a video, which I'll link to, that shows us how we assembled the Ultralisk 4x4 door hanger. So let's get into it. I'm first going to take the tool set that Jeep provides, take out the Torx wrench, and remove the 4 bolts that are holding the doors in place, or holding the doors so they can't be removed. And then I'm going to actually, Jeep actually provides a cool storage unit within the Jeep for those bolts that we're going to be removing. So I'll show you that as well. So let's get into it. We're going to be removing the doors. We're going to be storing them on the Ultralisk 4x4 rack, and we're going to basically get ready for summer. Even though it already is summer, we're just going to enjoy it more. Okay, we're going to take this is a Torx 50 or T50 bit with the wrench, crescent wrench that was provided by Jeep. So this should be part of your Jeep kit that came, I found mine in the jockey box, and so it should be there. If you don't have one, and sometimes these don't come, we can buy them off of Amazon, the whole kit, but sometimes we need to get a little bit more creative, and I have just the Ryobi wrench with the same Torx 50 on it, and sometimes it's easier to do with the wrench. So basically, to remove the doors, or to start removing the doors, we just loosen these up and unscrew them. And because of time and effort, this takes a little bit of time. I'm going to use the wrench carefully. And that is how we remove the bolts from the doors so that they can be removed. And I'm going to store these door hangers right here. There we go, all stored. And we put this away. Okay, we're going to come down here, as this is one of the things that we need to remove or adjust when we take the doors off, and this should just pull out just like this. And the clips, this is the only thing that holds it in, is these clips. These two just tuck back. But we have this electrical clip that needs to be removed. And I'm going to see if I can get a better view of this. But there's a red tab that needs to be pulled up. And it's right in the middle. And then down here, there's basically a tab that gets pushed in. And this just gets lifted up. Just like that. And so when that is lifted, this just comes out. And that's it. So I'm going to do this again. And it's just the opposite process to get it back. So I'm going to get a different view now. Okay. To get this off, this red tab, we pull up. So I just pulled up till it clicked. And then down here, we push in with our thumb. Right in the middle, there's a tab that we push in, which disconnects this, and we just push it up. Once that's pushed up, that just pops right out. Just like that. And that's how we disconnect. And of course, we take this off. Sometimes it's finicky just because it's fabric, but we just take that off. And now, tuck it away. So that's what we need to do to disconnect the electrical from the door, and the safety harness gets connected to this so that we don't rip our electrical out when the door opens. And so that's what this is for, is to keep that from happening. And to get it back in, it's just the opposite. Get it started. Pull your white. And then push the tab back in. And that's it. Don't do what I just did. One of the things about storing these doors, it is best to have the windows rolled down. And I had just unplugged the electrical for each one of the doors with the windows rolled up. So now I got to plug them back in, turn the vehicle on, roll the windows down, and unplug them all again. So mistakes are made. We learn. Maybe you'll learn from my mistake to always, when you remove the doors, that the windows are rolled down first, then disconnect, and then take them off. Now that the windows are rolled down, we can now officially take the doors off. One of the things with the Jeep Wrangler JL is this new, this bolt and door catcher. I don't know what it's called actually. This is new to the JL. This didn't exist in previous versions of the Jeep. And so we actually need to unscrew this, and now that the electrical is undone, we can undo this safety harness right here for the door, so that we're not stretching or breaking the wiring off of that. We have to remove this. So we're going to remove the bolt, remove the door, and at the end we're going to put the bolt back in, just for safekeeping. I always keep the bolt here. Just tighten it down, leave it there, just so that it doesn't get lost. This bolt that held that door stop in, I just pushed it back in, tightened it down, and so I don't lose it, and that's there on all of them. Button it down, bolts in, and this is back the way it was. Easy to put back, and same with here. Bolt is here. This is put back the way that it was, so you can't even tell. Doors are off. Now we got to clean it up, because when we drive down the street, we don't want stuff blowing up. All right, guys, thanks for watching our video of removing the doors. But we appreciate you watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you found something that you learned or found something interesting. And if you want to see more and be notified of future videos that we put out, hit that subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you again, and it's gonna be an adventure. Drive safe, and maybe we'll see you on the trails.